yummy already.
Well, good evening, Doak cooks. We are doing what we commonly refer to in this house as fridge, pantry, freezer. We were going to just do soup tonight, but I looked in the freezer and saw that I had a leftover frozen manwich. So what you saw moments ago is not a giant meatball. I am thawing a giant frozen mound of manwich. Homemade manwich. What we also had was what you're looking at right here, which is a loaf of garlic bread, which I'm going to put in the oven. So we didn't have any buns. We didn't have any hamburger rolls, no Kaiser rolls, but we had this. So we're going to make garlic bread, manwich, sloppy Joe sandwiches tonight for dinner, and we'll see if they're any good. So the reason why my stove is so smoky is because when I did steak in the cast iron and I finished off in the oven, what happens is the steak juices or the butter juices or what have you splatter up into the heat element, and then it solidifies and cools down. And when I attempt to preheat the oven later, I have to burn off all that grease that's on the heating element. So it smokes. So the house is going to be a little smoky. Like I said, this is not a giant meatball. I mean, I guess it kind of is, but it's a frozen chunk of homemade manwich, which we are slowly thawing and breaking apart. I actually add a little bit of red wine to add a bit more liquid back in so that I didn't dry it out too much. So this should be done another 10 minutes, and then we'll put the bread in the oven and let's go. Sloppy Joe garlic bread. Hope you guys enjoy.
I got a broken fish.